Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can paint your car and apply vinyls in Forza Horizon 6. It's quite easy. All you need to do, just open the menu, go to this option My Horizon and select the option Return Home. Select yes. Once you're here, select the tab for cars and you're gonna see the option Designs and Paints. Select this, select OK. In order to paint the car, select the first option Paint Car. And here you're gonna see a lot of options, but in order to change the color of the car or basically paint the car, select the first option and you'll able to change the color of your car completely. And you can also go for this option and you'll able to see couple of special colors as you can see here, but personally I would like to go with normal colors. So whichever color you like, simply choose that. And let's say you wanna change the color of specific part or you wanna paint a specific part. For that you just need to select that part. Like if you just wanna change the color of hood, rims or wing, just select the part you wanna color. Let's say for the sake of this video we choose hood and just go to this option and you'll able to change the color of hood only. We choose, let's say, red. Okay, and it is that easy to paint your car. To save this, just hit the back button and select the option save to current car. Now it's time to apply vinyls. For that, select apply vinyls and decals, select OK for now. And here you're gonna see like where you wanna basically apply vinyls. You can just apply that to front, sides, or you can apply on the top. So wherever you wanna apply, just select that part. Let's say I wanna apply on the top, so I'll select top, click on the plus icon, and from this pop-up you need to choose whether you wanna apply a vinyl shape, apply a logo, load a vinyl group, or whatever that is you wanna basically choose for your car. I'm gonna choose apply a vinyl shape. From these tabs you need to choose the shape you would like to use for your car. In my case I'm gonna use, I guess, this one. After you choose the shape, choose the color. Let's say we choose red. Then by using your keyboard or by using your controller you can choose the position, or basically you can just move it and place it wherever you want. Also you can go to this option and able to scale the shape. By using this one you'll able to rotate the shape. You can go to the next one and you'll able to basically skew the shape like this. And by using the last option you'll able to adjust the transparency. I'll leave it on 100%. Now just simply select OK, and yep, there you go, we have successfully applied vinyls on the top. By following the same way you can add vinyls on the front, on the sides, on the wing, or on the hood, wherever you wanna basically apply it. In my case, let's say this time I'm gonna add on the side, so I need to select the side, then select the plus icon, and again you need to choose like what you wanna basically apply. You can go for logo, you can go for shape. This time let's say we go for logo, and I guess I'm gonna choose something like this one, and we'll able to adjust it now. Okay, and you can also scale this, and I'm gonna put it right here. By using this option you'll able to rotate it. Okay, once you're done, simply select OK, and that way you'll able to basically apply vinyls on your car. Now to save this you can select the option save and you'll able to save it as a new livery, or you can basically hit the back button and select this option save to current car. That way all the changes will be applied on the current car. As you can see right here, it is that easy to paint your car or apply vinyls on your car in Forza Horizon 6. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.